It's a 2018 Toyota Highlander. Life is hectic enough. Make the journey smoother in this Highlander. It was built for families and made for fun. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: streaming audio, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, rear parking sensors, doors and push button start proximity key, driver memory seats, V6 engine, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. Kelley Blue Book highlights that you'll find easy-to-use controls, including knobs for the main radio functions and for the climate controls below them. A huge center console can hold 58 standard-sized juice boxes, perfect for keeping anybody seated in the comfortable second row or kids-only third row adequately hydrated. Toyota, steered by ingenuity, driven by passion. Hurry in today for a test drive.
At Westchester Toyota Scion, located near Westchester, New York, and our Westchester Toyota Scion website. Call, click, or stop in today.